I think rather than thinking about what makes cannabinoids an interesting pharmaceutical target, it's important to perhaps reframe that and think about, well, what are cannabinoids? When we take a cannabinoid, what is it doing in our body? It's interacting with our endocannabinoid system at the highest of levels. And why does that matter? The endocannabinoid system, the more we're coming to understand how it works, is responsible for maintaining homeostasis in our bodies. So when we develop, if we develop cancer, cells are dividing unchecked in our bodies. That by definition is cancer. They don't die. Maintaining homeostasis would imply that those cells can still check themselves, undergo normal cell death or apoptosis. So that's homeostasis in our body. So when we think about the role of cannabinoids, if we can find the right cannabinoid or the right combination of cannabinoids that can help us to maintain homeostasis, help keep us from potentially getting cancer, help make our mood better, help reduce aches and pains that we may be feeling. That's the role of cannabinoids, if used properly. And whether that's in the health and wellness sector or the CPG sector over the counter, or whether that is in the pharmaceutical cannabinoid space as fully FDA approved drugs.